Hey guys, in this video, I will show you Mailchimp email template full course. So if you want a pre-designed email layout that helps you to create and send professional looking newspapers, campaigns, or marketing emails, this tutorial is for you. First, you have to go to any web browser and then type Mailchimp, create an account, and this is the interface or dashboard of Mailchimp. You can see different options on the left side, but what we're going to focus now is I go to campaigns, tap this arrow facing down, and what you're going to do next is you have to click this create on the upper right side. You have to click this create button right here, and it will take you directly to another page. And then what you're going to do here is you can now start editing or creating your newsletter. So first you have to try building one of this. So basically what we're going to do is we have to click the first one here, which is regular email. So for this tutorial, we're going to click and select this design email, regular email, and wait for a couple of seconds. Now, how do you want your design or how do you want to design your email? From scratch, basic layout, fully designed template. So actually for fully designed templates are not for free. So we can use the second one, which is basic layout. But you can also use HTML if you have your code. So as you can see, these are the layout for some templates here, and these are not for free. So I have tried to select some of our specific category and filter this to free template, but I can't see one. So if you want to use any of this template right here, you need to upgrade your plan. So for this tutorial, and since I'm just using the basic version, I will be using just basic layout. So anyways, I will just give you a little bit review or a little bit hint idea of what are the templates if you have upgraded your plan. So it would be easier for you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just continue with the basic version or free version. Okay, so once you have search or select that specific layout that you want to use for your Mailchimp email template, what you're going to do next here is to simply start editing and creating your template or email template. So as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a logo, image, change the background right here because it's like starting from scratch, but a little bit not. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to add a logo, or let's just say I'm going to add an image right here. All you have to do is to click this one. Now you can also adjust some settings. But I'm going to introduce to you Canva. So if you are a beginner and if you want an easy editing tool, I highly suggest Canva right here. If you want to create a logo for your email or email template, then you can just go to Canva, create design, type logo, and it will show you different and tons of designs for your logo. All you have to do is to change font style, font size. You can also change the image by tapping element and then select that specific image that you want. For example, you are selling or this newsletter is all about event, announcement, or if you want to promote your product or promote yourself, you can easily look for elements and then search the specific image or any image or element that is related to your topic, title, brand, or whatever it is. So, for example, I will be selling, or my product is all about paper, or it's about paper or headline or news, something like that. So you can look for an image or element and then drag it right here. Also, you can change the font and add effects to that. Once done, then go to download, tap share first and then download. Go back to your MailChimp, select image, and then add the image right here. So let's just say this is my logo. Okay, so feel free to adjust if you want to increase or decrease the size. Also for alignment, you can just adjust it right here. Link to, if you want to link this to a specific social media platform. And then you can add more information. You just have to go to the left side and you will see here things and information needed to fill in. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to add or link this to an email address. So all you have to do is to click that. Now, if you want to change the background, the color of the background, just choose from any color right here. Okay, so that's it for our logo or for our header. Now, if you want to change also the background color of this newsletter, yes, you can. But before that, always click done once finished. And if you see right here, there are tons of features that you can add to your website or email template right here. All you have to do is to click this and this will be added. So for example, if you want to add an image, paragraph, and so on. So we're going to add or focus on the background. So if you want to change the background, then you have to click this one and then look for the background that you like or background color that you like. So everything is up to you. And then after that, you can also change body color. Good if you are expert to this kind of field. Okay. And then next is if you want to add an image because we're just using the basic version, then again, I strongly suggest Canva if you want to add something here. So I have created this picture, this image, and I want to import this image or add this image to my template. Let me adjust something first, and then after that, all I have to do is to save this, and this message will show up here in my email template. So also you can go to optimize if you want to optimize something. So let's go back. Now, as you can see here, in Canva, you can use from a specific design, or you can also start from scratch and just go to elements and add some elements right here. For example, my business or portfolio, or let's just say template is all about papers, something like that, related to papers. So I can look for elements related to papers. And then once I'm finished with my image, then I can drag or add that image right here. Okay, so you can also add a description or any information about your brand, your portfolio, your company. All you have to do is to add it right here. And if you don't like the font style or the font size or even the color, you can change that. All you have to do is to drag or highlight all words right here. And then you have to go up and edit the format. For button, you can change the button by tapping it or double click and then change. For example, as you can see, I changed this to email. So feel free to change the size of this box right here. Okay, everything is up to you. And then after that, don't forget to always save once done. Okay, or tap the done button once you're finished. Okay, so you can also add something like click here or subscribe. Okay, everything is up to you. Now, you can also change the background color of this, but actually this one is optional. Let's move on to a social media account. So below here, you can see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can add or change something here. For example, if you want to change this to WhatsApp, to Snapchat, or whatever social media you have. But all you have to do is to paste your social media account URL here and change the color, change the color of the icon specifically, or add something right here. Everything is up to you. Also change the font color. Okay. And after that, again, once you're done, and all you have to do is to click done. Now, feel free to delete some elements or objects or anything here that are unnecessary and change that with something that is necessary. So basically, this is what it looks like, a sample email template thanks to Mailchimp. And you can now send this, copy the URL or link, and share this to your friends, a workmate, or to anyone. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and see you again in our next video tutorials.